10 natural ways to remove tartar buildup. Tartar buildup, also known as dental calculus, occurs when plaque hardens on the teeth, usually due to inadequate oral hygiene. While professional dental cleanings are the most effective way to remove tartar, here are 10 natural methods that may help reduce and prevent tartar buildup. Brush and floss regularly. Maintaining a consistent oral hygiene routine is crucial for preventing tartar buildup. Brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes each time and floss daily to remove plaque before it hardens into tartar. Use baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening and abrasive properties that can help remove tartar. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste and gently brush your teeth with it. Limit use to once or twice a week as excessive use may wear down tooth enamel. Try oil pulling. Oil pulling involves swishing oil in your mouth to remove bacteria and plaque. Coconut oil is commonly used for this practice. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes, then spit it out. Rinse your mouth with water afterward and brush your teeth as usual. Use hydrogen peroxide mouthwash. Hydrogen peroxide has antibacterial properties that can help control plaque and tartar. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with equal parts of water and use it as a mouthwash. Swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds and spit it out. Rinse your mouth with water afterward. Consume crunchy fruits and vegetables. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery can help remove plaque and stimulate saliva production, which helps to naturally clean the teeth and gums. Chew sugarless gum. Chewing sugarless gum after meals stimulates saliva production, which can help wash away food particles and bacteria that contribute to tartar formation. Use a tartar control toothpaste. Look for toothpaste specifically formulated to control tartar. These toothpaste products often contain ingredients like pyrophosphates that can help prevent tartar buildup. Drink green tea. Green tea contains compounds that may inhibit the growth of bacteria associated with plaque and tartar. Regularly consuming green tea as part of your oral hygiene routine may help prevent tartar formation. Limit sugary and acidic foods. Sugary and acidic foods contribute to plaque formation. Limit your consumption of sugary snacks, sodas, and acidic beverages to help prevent tartar buildup. Maintain regular dental checkups.